Hello, cake lovers. Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sambal Shahzadi. Today, we are diving into a delicious, crispy collection of 20 Halloween cake designs that will thrill your guests and inspire your followers. Let's begin. The first one is Haunted House Cake. Black fondant cake with tiny haunted house trees and glowing windows. A spongy story in cake form. The next is pumpkin patch cake. Orange buttercream cake topped with mini fondant pumpkin and vine. Perfect for pumpkin lovers. The next is ghost family cake. White fondant ghost with cute expression floating over black frosting. Adorable yet smoky. The next is spiderweb design cake. Chocolate gun strip with piped white spiderweb and plastic spider toppers. Creepy but cool. The next is witch hat cake. Tall, cone-shaped cake decorated like a purple and black witch hat. Magical and mysterious. The next is black cake hat. Black frosting with fondant cat eyes, ears, and tails. Perfect for feline fans. The next is candy corn strip cake. Yellow, orange, and white layers of mini candy corn with matching swirl tops. A sweet Halloween classic. The next is graveyard cake. Gray frosting with edible tombstone, bones, and soil texture. Cookies crumb. Thrilling fun for our kids. The next is eyeball cake. Round cake with fondant eyeballs popping out from dark buttercream. Gross but great. The next is cauldron cake. Black round cake made to look like a bubbling witch cauldron. Add cauldron potion for effect. The next is mummy wrap cake. White fondant strips covering the cake like bandages and with two glowing eyes peeking out. Simple and fun to meet. The next is vampire bite cake. White cake with red bloody drip and vampire fang marks. Scary and elegant. The next is hocus pocus spellbook cake. A cake shaped like a magical spellbook with creepy eye and later texture. Perfect for movie fans. The next is jack-o'-lantern cake. Curved pumpkin face on a bright orange cake. A Halloween classic. The next is gothic glam cake. Deep black, red tones, roses, lace pattern, and gold skull toppers. Elegant and airy. The next is bow letter cake. Cake shaped into bow decorated like ghosts and candies, fun for parties and photos. The next is monster face cake, colorful monster face with piped hair, teeth, and big candy eyes. Silly and fun for kids. The next is orange and black layer cake. Simple layer buttercream and bold Halloween colors with sprinkles, bold and vibrant. The next is trick or threat cake, explosion cake. One cut open candy spell out surprise inside cake full of Halloween threat party winners. The next is glow in dark cake. Neon buttercream or edible painting glowing under UV lights. Wow, you're guessed in the dark. That's all. Which cake was your favorite? The gray one, the glowing one, or the mummy wrapped cake? Tell us in the comment below. If you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily inspiration or cake ideas only on Cakes Factory. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a sweet upload only on Cakes Factory. Stay tuned with us. We are always want to share an amazing and outstanding, also creative, unique idea with you. So for that you have to subscribe Cakes Factory for daily inspiration or creative ideas you can make for your next birthday or event which is very special for you, and that cake make your event more special and bright in a way you want to glow your event. So always share love and take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, goodbye.